Hello, well I'm guessing that you've learnt parts 1, 2, 3 and 4 of Hedwig's theme. Let's hope so, because we're going to play them through from the beginning now. See what you can do. If you only make a couple of little slips, then carry on. But if you make a lot of mistakes or you can't keep up, then go back a few steps first before you do part 4. Okay, from the beginning after 2. 1, 2. Did you make it? I hope so. Just needed to tighten my bow a little bit more. Oops. Right, part 4. Now this starts off the same as part 3, so you already know it. So the first 4 notes go the same as part 3. 3 on the D to 1 on the A. So that's dead easy. Do we need to repeat it? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2. Now the next time you play, it's a bit higher than what happened in part 3. So it's the same pattern and it's chromatic, but it's a tone higher. So we're going to start on 3 on the D and go 3 on the D to A3, wide 2, then low 2. Let's try that after 2, up bow, 1, 2. Your turn. And let's do it again together. 1, 2. And again for luck. 1, 2. Now, when we get to here, where we've just landed, we've done this before in part 2. This is where we're going to stay with our low 2 on the A, but we're going to put low 4 across again to the D string. So let's start from that low 2 we just landed on. We're going to add it together to the next bit. So we're going to do low 2 on the A, then low 4 on D, then back to low 2 on A, normal 1, back 1, and then we'll learn the next bit after that. So this is 5 notes. Have a listen first. In fact, it's exactly the same music as in part 2. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully if you learnt it right in part 2, then you can still do it. The next bit, which is the final bit of this part, is again what we played at the end of part 2. So again, you should know it. So close 2 on G, then D3, and then number 1 on D. Now this is the last note we play in this section, and you have to do a dotted minim plus another dotted minim plus another dotted minim plus another dotted minim. 4 dotted minims, and a dotted minim is worth 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. I hope your answer is, because I did promise that we're learning maths as well. So we're going to go from the minim, which is worth 2, which is the low 2 that we just got to on G. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Phew! We made it. And then we have to do a big retake here if we're doing all the way to the tip, because we need to get back to the heel for the next bit, which is part 5. See you in a mo when you've learned that bit.